Thanks, Damon. Next up, Mark Wildman, who traveled to Athens to report on the groundbreaking for UGA's new veterinary school. Mark?
In Athens, one of the highest-ranked vet schools in the country is about to get larger and more modern. UGA President Dr. Michael Adams, Dean of UGA School of Veterinary Medicine Dr. Sheila Allen, and many other dignitaries broke ground on a new state-of-the-art veterinary teaching complex that will not only provide a larger facility for faculty and staff, but will provide much-needed space for large animals as well.
On our current location, we've been deficient for space for examination and exercise and treatment in many ways, but particularly given the amount of space that is here, we will truly for the first time have space to treat large animals, which will be a benefit to the state's agricultural community, to the community that is built around equestrian interest in the state, and will be able to serve a number of people in a significant way.
The new building, which will be located just off College Station Road, will give citizens an easier access to move livestock in and out of UGA's facility. The new project was a joint effort using public as well as private funding sources and shows the state's dedication to support the agriculture community.
Projects like these are not easy to come by, and especially in the economic times that we've had over the last several years. But it's easier when people understand the importance of agriculture in our economy and understand that agriculture is still the #1 industry in this state.
There are only 28 American universities who are members of the American Association of Colleges of Veterinary Medicine. This is an expensive business, and with but rare exception, all of those are at great public universities. This is the kind of education that frankly doesn't lend itself to a private situation because it takes public and private support for an event like this to occur.
The old hospital served Georgians for many decades, but over the years the campus grew and the demands on the hospital did as well. The current hospital was built in 1979 and is one of the smallest teaching hospitals in the country.
Our current hospital was designed before technologies such as MRI, radiation therapy, embryo transfer, and arthroscopy were even envisioned for animals, much less the standard of care.
Each year, the University of Georgia's College of Veterinary Medicine trains many future vets, and the medical training they receive here benefits the citizens of Georgia and the economy as well.
Veterinarians have always served important roles in raising food animals. The margin of safety, sustainability, and profitability in animal agriculture becomes ever more narrow, and well-trained veterinarians must work in partnership with farmers to keep that balance positive.
Officials here at UGA are very excited about the new facility. It will provide much-needed space for laboratories and classrooms, and that, in turn, will help agriculture and Georgia's economy.
Let's continue to teach future veterinarians to ensure that the precious interface among animals, humans, and our environment remains healthy for generations to come. Thank you.
Reporting from Athens, I'm Mark Wildman for the Georgia Farm Monitor.